You got accident. You go hurt. Where is the hurt? On the track here. Here. Oh no.
It's white.
Do you need to go and see doctor? Yes. Or mama kiss you? Mama kiss you?
No, the sheep rolled from the bus.
Oh, the shape fall off from the bus.
And pull back.
What shape is that?
The heart.
It's the heart. Okay.
The right.
Okay.
Right.
Woohoo! Okay, Tan. Oh yeah. Accident again. Okay. Tan. Okay. Woo. Oh. Accident.
And put them from the tractor.
Oh.
And the one to see doctor.
You need to see doctor. Okay. Can mama kiss you?
No.
No?
See doctor.
See doctor. Okay. Okay, so now you're going to see doctor. Okay, bye-bye.